Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the clip, import your footage, and create a matching sequence so playback stays accurate. Duplicate the video track. This gives you a non-destructive backup and makes it simple to compare before and after. Next, trim the range you'll edit. Shorter sections render faster. Once done, rename the duplicated layer Night Effect so you won't confuse layers. This setup saves time and keeps frame rate and resolution consistent while you apply color and noise adjustments. Now you sculpt the look. Apply lumetri color and lower exposure between -0.5 and -1.5 so blacks deepen without crushing detail. Increase contrast and pull highlights down to preserve midtones. Lift shadows slightly for a faint glow. Then add green via the HSL secondary or tint controls. Shift hue toward green around 70 degrees and boost saturation modestly, usually 20 to 40%. This is what convinces the eye it's night, rather than just dark. Finish with texture and polish. Add a subtle noise or film grain effect between 2 and 8% to simulate low-light sensor noise. Change blend mode to overlay or screen for natural integration. Duplicate the layer, apply Gaussian blur 6 to 20 pixels, and reduce opacity to about 20 to 40% to create a soft glow on highlights. Once done, render a short segment and check skin tones. Use masks to reduce green on faces. If colors shift, slightly retract green saturation. This fixes common problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.